there is life after quarantine. So I will survive 14 days of complete isolation. It's fine. Good afternoon, beautiful people. So I'm still jet lagged. This is my quarantine Airbnb. Since I have a long-term visa, I can quarantine in Airbnb. It is very strict here. Quarantine here is like North Korean style. I'm not kidding. So behind the video, there is my trash hiding because I'm not allowed to take it out. But I got this rooftop. Like my room is here. Obviously, I'm just by myself. My bathroom and everything, kitchen. Yeah, and this Airbnb comes with a private rooftop, so it's perfect. And today the weather is actually quite nice. We had some very cold days as well. I ordered now some chicken, but no. It's not just some fried chicken. Like Korean fried chicken is like another level. Like there's fried chicken and then there's Korean fried chicken. It's like there's yummy and then there's yummy. Like it's delicious. Like right now, like Europe and most places in the world, in the Western world, are like completely locked down, right? You can't even go to a hairdresser, you can't do anything. Whereas in Korea, yeah, no, most things are open, businesses are rolling. Any one of you guys ever feel like they have to go to Korea for whatever reason and they have to quarantine, then I would definitely recommend this place. Honestly, I would, because it comes with a rooftop. It's just the way to quarantine, I feel like. I don't know what I would have done without a rooftop. Like even if I just go to the rooftop like once or twice a day, even just briefly, it makes a difference. It really does make a difference, because you're not allowed to go for a walk. Like, no, you're not allowed to go for a walk. You're not allowed to take your trash out. You're not allowed to, like, even my phone right now is a tracing app. Yeah, it's like a handcuff. And I have to check in twice a day. If I have any symptoms, I have to take 3 corona tests. I'm sorry, that's not corona tests, they're called PCR tests. I have to take 3 of these. All negative, of course, still quarantined. Anyways, I think it just came. My chicken just came. All right, let me get my chicken. Walk, walk, walk. Oh my God, I'm so happy. It's my first chicken. It's my first chicken after, I think, 10 months not being able to come back to Korea. And it's fried chicken. I mean, it's not, I think, my favorite brand, but still. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at it, look at it. It's like with garlic sauce. Yummy. All right, what was I about to say? So once you arrive in Korea, they will check you. And I was not sleeping for 17 hours because it was a really long flight. It was transfer in Doha. I had this hot sweater on and the airport was very hot. They heated it. It was very warm. So they check your temperature first, and you're not allowed to enter the country when you have fever. I didn't have fever. I was just very hot. Like my body temperature was like 37.5 degrees, like on the limit. So they told me I'm not able to enter Korea if I have fever. So they sent me to another booth where they check again your like symptoms, whatever. Even though I had a negative PCR test, but it doesn't matter. So this guy was very nice. He just blew like wind into my face. He was like, calm down, cool down, it's fine. Checking my temperature again, and it was fine. So I was not even able to go to the bathroom to touch anything like cold, so that I can calm down my body temperature, because I was just heated up by the room temperature, by my sweater, by probably not, you know, being rested and just also nervous. And normally I'm a very cold person, so I was surprised about myself. In a situation like this, it would be good to be a cold person, but no. Anyways, it was all fine. Then you go through all these different stages, and you have to give your phone number, and then I didn't have a Korean phone number, I just had my German phone number, so I had to give my Korean friend's number, and they called her. They were like, there's a German girl. What's her name? Very rude. And she's like, Melina. Okay, so they check up and the number is real. They sent her also a lot of information in Korean. So it took in total like 3 hours to get through everything, but generally people were very nice. You're not able to leave the airport like normally, so they come to you, ask where you live, where's your address, where you're gonna quarantine, and then they put a sticker on your coat or sweater, and like the number, like the sticker shows which area you go to. And then they have like English speaking taxis, which is very rare in Korea to find, so I'm surprised, who give you good service. The rate is fixed. It costs like around like $70 to go to your place, and it's a fixed rate. So the cab driver was very nice. I got to my place. That's it. They check where you're at with your phone, and you have to move your phone. This is the crazy part. This is what I didn't know before I entered Korea. You have to move your phone, move it, shake it every 2 hours during daylight. If not, someone was gonna knock on your door or call. Sorry. That's what they do. Then I have to check in my app that I have no symptoms, 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. again in my lovely tracing app. And I had to do one corona test at like 3 days time once I arrive. So the cab driver will pick you up, deliver you to the facility, do the test, and go home. And then you have to do once more, like 2 days before your quarantine is up. And that's basically it. Delivery from my bestie. This is so cute. Like, it's really hard in Korea to get some good yogurt, and it's literally like the best brand. It's so adorable. Really good hummus, soda bread, so cute. What's this? Oh, so cute, all in wash. Truffle pesto. Yeah, I think you will like it. It's a bit spicy, but I think you will like it. You like spicy food, right?
I love spice.
I know.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
So I'm eating an English breakfast. What are you eating?
Oh, very simple. I'm eating Korean tteokbokki. It's like rice cake noodles. They're like these thick noodles, and they come with their own sauce. Sometimes they come with cheese. I just got this time without cheese. Yeah, it's called tteokbokki, and it's with an egg too. It's a bit spicy, but I really like it. So it's one of my favorite. It's basically more like street food, like Korean tteokbokki. Quarantine here is another level. It's like really, really strict. But the good news is there is life after quarantine. Like, there is no lockdown here. Yesterday was like the day this whole quarantine stuff was getting to me. So I was like a bit overwhelmed by it. But other than that, I've been doing fine.
In what way was it getting to you?
I mean, it's complete isolation. You know, I mean, I'm lucky to have like a rooftop, so I get some fresh air. And everything is getting delivered to you in Korea, so it's all good. But yeah, I don't know, it's just, I don't know, it was just so overwhelming. I got like nervous. I got even nervous about going out into the real world and facing life. Even this made me nervous.
It snowed over here in London, so I went for a walk the other day. I think there's two sides to it. You have people that having time to like breathe a bit, and then people that are having to work extra hard than usual.
Yeah, I know. But it's also getting really uncomfortable when you're faced with your emotions, with your thoughts, and you cannot distract yourself. It's like, face it. Divorce rate here has been extremely high because it's just, marriage here is different. Like more like I was saying, more like the older generation here is a bit different. So they, you know, sometimes they're more like friends. They're not like really like married coupled, or more like roommates together and both like working or living like really complete separate lives. And suddenly they have to face each other and realize, you know, I have to face my wife now and I actually don't want to.